Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for task tracking automation step by step clearly. To register with Asana type www.asana.com in the address bar and press enter. On the Asana homepage, locate the Get Started button or Sign Up Free option. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will now be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button again. Asana will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. You will be redirected to the Asana registration page. Here, you will be asked to create a password for your account. Enter a strong password into the password field. To continue, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you may be prompted to fill in your name. Enter your first and last name into the appropriate fields. Next, select your organization type if prompted. Choose whether you are registering for personal use or as part of a team. Then, click the Continue button to proceed. You may be asked to set up your first project. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your initial project. After completing the setup, Asana will take you to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can begin organizing tasks and projects. Explore the various features Asana offers for task tracking and automation. You are now registered with Asana and ready to streamline your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.